How to change location on Snapchat maps. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to change your location on Snapchat maps. So for that case, go ahead and log in into your Snapchat account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. And here, go ahead and press the map icon. And when you actually open up your map, then you can see that your current location has been displayed. So which means that you will not be able to make changes with your location on the Snapchat map itself from the application or using the application. In order to fake your location, then you have to go ahead and install a third-party application, be it a fake GPS or any other alternative method. However, those procedures are not a reliable method, but then you could also go ahead and give it a try. So for that case, you just have to go ahead and open up your Play Store, and on the search box, go ahead and type in GPS, or you could type in fake GPS. Here you could go ahead and install any one of it and then run the application. So that is how you can go ahead and change your location in Snapchat maps. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.